Welcome back to Doomsday-Prepper. Today we're diving into the art of survival cooking. Whether you're in a long-term bug-out situation or just looking to enhance your prepping skills, having reliable recipes and cooking tips is crucial. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why survival cooking is important. When you're in a survival situation, access to fresh ingredients and modern conveniences might be limited. Knowing how to prepare nutritious and tasty meals with limited resources can keep you and your family healthy and motivated. Before we get into the recipes, here are a few essential pieces of cooking gear every prepper should have. Portable stove or campfire setup, cast iron skillet, Dutch oven, multi-tool with a can opener, fire starter and waterproof matches, cooking utensils and a sharp knife, reusable containers and a water filter. Next, let's go over some shelf-stable ingredients that are perfect for survival cooking. Rice and beans, canned meats and vegetables, pasta and dried grains, dehydrated or freeze-dried fruits and vegetables, powdered milk and eggs, spices, salt and pepper, cooking oils and honey. Now on to the fun part, the recipes. Here are a few simple and nutritious survival meals you can prepare with your stash. Recipe 1. 1 pot rice and beans. 1 cup rice, 1 can of beans, any type. 1 can of diced tomatoes. 1 tsp garlic powder. 1 tsp onion powder. Salt and pepper to taste. Combine all ingredients in a pot with 2 cups of water. Bring to a boil, then simmer until the rice is cooked and the mixture is thickened. This meal is packed with protein and easy to make with minimal resources. Recipe 2. Hearty vegetable stew. 1 can of mixed vegetables. 1 can of potatoes. 1 can of beef or chicken broth. 1 tsp dried thyme. 1 tsp dried parsley. Salt and pepper to taste. Combine all ingredients in a pot and bring to a boil. Simmer for 15-20 minutes until everything is heated through. This stew is warm, comforting, and full of vitamins. Recipe 3. Pancakes with powdered milk. 1 cup flour. 1 tsp sugar. 1 tsp baking powder. 1/2 tsp salt. 1 cup water. 1 cup powdered milk. Cooking oil for frying. Mix the dry ingredients in a bowl. Gradually add water and stir until smooth. Heat a skillet with some oil, pour in the batter to form pancakes, and cook until golden brown on both sides. A great breakfast option. Here are some quick tips to enhance your survival cooking. Rotate your food supplies to ensure freshness. Practice cooking with your survival gear to get comfortable with it. Experiment with different spices and herbs to keep meals interesting. Use leftovers creatively to minimize waste. Always purify your water before cooking. That's it for today's episode on survival cooking. Remember, preparation and practice are key to mastering the art of cooking in any situation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more prepping tips and tricks. Stay safe and prepared, and we'll see you next time on Doomsday Prepper.